Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel The Tech City. In today's video, we are diving deep into an amazing dashboard that provides an analytical overview of the FIFA World Cup from the year 1913 to 2014. If you are a football fan or someone who enjoys the data-driven insights, you are going to love this one. So let's get started. So now, firstly, I'm going to show you how you can download data from Kaggle. The Kaggle is one of the most popular platforms for data downloading. It offers a wide range of datasets for various projects and competition. To download dataset from Kaggle, first open any browser and search for Kaggle. You will find this interface. First, click on the first link, Kaggle, and you will redirect on the main page. To download dataset, you first need to create an account. If you have not have account, head over to Kaggle and sign in. So once you are logged in, click on the dataset tab on the left hand side. This will take you to the dataset library where you can browse and search for the dataset you need. Now use the search bar to find the dataset you interested for. Like I want FIFA World Cup. Browse through the result to find the dataset that suits your needs. Once you've found the dataset you want, click on its title and open the dataset page. There, you will find detailed information about the dataset, including the description, columns, and files available to download. To download the dataset, click on the download button on the right side, which usually takes few seconds to download the data. So data is downloaded successfully. So now I will show you how you can create the reports and data sets in AIV. So first expand the hamburger menu and click on the documents, go to reports and click on the upload button. Now upload the file you want to upload and create a report of. So I want this. So just click on upload. So report is created successfully. Now to create the data set, again expand the hamburger menu and now go to the master data and click on data sets. Now click on the create data set and go to the existing files. Now change the source to report and now find the data you have created in report. Like I want these World Cup matches and give a suitable name of the data set like uh, World Cup. And now click on create to create the data set. So the data set is created successfully and now you can create a beautiful dashboard from the data set. So firstly, I will show you the dashboard which I create in AIV, which named as FIFA World Cup. So this is the beautifully created dashboard by using many colors and widgets and KPIs. So on the top left corner, it has a title named as FIFA World Cup. On the right hand corner of the top, I have created a custom visualization which is tooled by AIV, in which if I click on this custom visualization, it will redirect it to my YouTube channel. This is the YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed it yet, please go and subscribe. So create it using custom visualization in AIV. So let's start with the top KPIs, we see four standout figures that summarize the history of the World Cup in the nutshell. We have total country played, total stadiums, total home teams, and total away teams. These four are KPIs. Starting with the first KPI, total country played. We have 15 nations that has honor of hosting the World Cup. Next, we have total stadium. 181 stadiums have witnessed the highs and lows of the iconic tournament of FIFA. Next, we have is total home teams. 78 teams have played as an home team, representing their nations on home soil. So, the last KPI which we have is total away teams, which is 83. So 83 teams have been traveled across the globe to play their part in FIFA. These KPIs or numbers give us a snapshot of just how global and expensive the FIFA World Cup has been and how the beautiful game FIFA brings the world together. Now, moving down to the first visualization we have is a bar chart named as total matches played by country. This chart breaks down how many matches each country has played throughout the tournament's history. For instance, Brazil tops the chart with the highest numbers of matches played, closely followed by Germany and Argentina. No surprise there, right? These nations have been powerhouse in the world of football for decades. But we also see some earliest hosts like this France, Mexico, which roles in shaping the history of World Cup. The diversity in participation shows how this event boundaries and grows with every edition of FIFA. Like Switzerland has the most matches played. Next, let's explore the next chart, which is total goals scored in stadium. So here we get a fascinating look at the stadium that have hosted World Cup matches and number of goals scored in each. So for instance, Cape Town Stadium in South Africa stands out as a high scoring venue. This tells us how different environments and atmosphere can influence the intensity and drama of the matches. Items not just about the teams, it also about the venues that add their unique flavor to the tournament. Now let's switch focus to the bar chart showing total goals scored by the home team. So this one is my favorite section because it really highlights the advantage of playing at home. Fans in the stands, familiar pitches, and the energy of nation rooting for their team. It all makes a huge difference for a team who plays the FIFA. So countries like Brazil, Germany, when playing as a home team, have demonstrated remarkable performance in terms of goals scored. This chart is a great way to visualize, appreciate that home ground advantage we always talk about. Next, we have is year, date, time. A closer look at the detail section at the bottom of the dashboard. This part includes specific information about individual matches. For example, we say a match from 13 July 1930 which took place at 3 p.m. This gradually data allows us to receive the history of World Cup matches by matches, moment by moment. Item incredible how much history is packed into the detail. And at the last we have is total goals scored by away team. This chart represent the goals which are scored by away teams. It also has its own advantage and disadvantages. So so that's it for this video. This dashboard is a treasure of insights into the FIFA World Cup from year 1930 to 2014. Whether you are a data enthusiast or a football fan, it offers something for everyone. A key statistics, fascinating pattern, and chance to explore the rich history of the most celebrated sporting event in the world. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also, let me know in the comments which chart you found the most. And of course, hit that subscribe button for more deep dives into fascinating data and stories. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.